Hi, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. Thanks for joining me today. We are here at my newest listing. Welcome to number 26, Kingfisher Way in Whitby. This 4-year new, fantastic freehold townhome is built by Tiffany Park Homes. Location is absolutely perfect. We are close to all amenities, transit, shops, and both the beautiful Heber Downs Conservation and Lynn Shores. I can't wait for you to see this entire home. I'm super excited to share it with you. Let's head on inside and have a look. Here we are inside. This beautiful modern townhome offers approximately 1,900 square feet. We have gorgeous finishes throughout, including wide plank laminate flooring, tall 9-foot ceilings, 2 balconies, and walkout to your own private yard. Your eat-in family-sized kitchen features granite counters, custom backsplash, stainless steel appliances, and breakfast bar. Your oak staircase leads to the second floor where we have 3 bedrooms. We have a total of 3 bathrooms in the home. Your primary retreat offers a large walk-in closet, a 4-piece ensuite bath, and your own private balcony to enjoy your morning coffee and nighttime stargazing. Your ground floor features a large family room space, perfect for entertaining, with walkout to your own private yard. If you'd like to book a private showing or have any additional questions, again, it's Dorothy Harrison from Remax Hallmark. There's no place like home.